Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying hardware and account. Confirm your PC has a built-in 5G modem or an external 5G USB stick, and that you purchased a 5G plan with SIM or eSIM. Once done, insert the SIM into the modem or provision eSIM in settings and reboot the modem if required. Make sure to install the vendor driver right away. Drivers enable the radio and modem interface. If your PC uses a USB dongle, plug it into a USB 3.0 port for best throughput. Next, you configure the connection. Open the Vendor Connection Manager or use Windows Network and Internet Settings or Network Manager on Linux. Enter APN, username and password if required, and choose the authentication type. This ensures the carrier recognizes your device. Once done, select 5G NR or automatic for preferred network mode and lock bands only if troubleshooting. Make sure the modem shows as a network adapter. On Linux, check /dev or mmcli, and on Windows, confirm a new cellular adapter appears in Device Manager. Finally, you connect and validate performance. Run a speed test and monitor latency to confirm 5G service. Once connected, prioritize 5G in adapter settings and enable automatic fallback to 4G to preserve continuity. Make sure to secure the connection with a firewall and, when using public hotspots, a VPN. If things go wrong, try one key troubleshooting step first. Power cycle the modem and reseat the SIM, then reinstall drivers. If the issue persists, contact carrier provisioning to ensure the SIM is enabled for 5G.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.